Now let us discuss about ABO type of blood group and RH type of blood group. Near about there are more than 30 types of blood groups are present, but out of these 30 types of blood groups, we discuss only two types of blood groups, that are ABO type and RH type. These are predominant type of blood groups. Now, as we know that there are four types of blood groups. One is A type and B type and AB type and O type. Let us first discuss about A type. Let us, if a person is said to be A, a person said to be A type of blood group, in which whose RBC is whose surface of RBC contains A type of antigens. This is about A type of antigens. And when we consider the second type, that is B type of blood group, in which a person is said to be having B type of blood group, in which the surface of RBC contains B type of antigens. This is about B type of blood group. And the third type is AB type. This type of blood group consists of RBC, in which it contains two types of antigens, that is A, B and A, B. This is about third type, that is AB type of antigen, and the fourth type of is O type of blood group. When we consider this O type of blood group, the surface of RBC do not contain either A type of antigen or B type of antigen, but it contains one more special type of antigens, that are H type of antigens. Now let us discuss how these H type of antigens are produced. Now let us consider this is a predominant cell of RBC, that is erythroblast, in which it contains nucleus. And the surface of RBC consists of special structures, that are oligosaccharides. These oligosaccharides are million in number, and this is oligosaccharide. Oligosaccharide is found by combination of many monomers, and there is chromosome number 19. In chromosome number 19, it contains special type of gene. This special type of gene produces special type of enzyme, that is N-acetyl galactosamine transferase. N-acetyl galactosamine transferase. Sorry. The chromosome number 19 produce special type of enzyme that is fucose transferase. This is fucose transferase. Now, from this fucose transferase, the function of this fucose transferase is the fucose molecule will get attached to the surface of oligosaccharides. Whenever the fucose molecule is attached to the surface of oligosaccharides, now this entire complex is called H antigen. H antigen. This special type of structure along with oligosaccharide with fucose molecule is called H type of antigen. This is production of H type of antigen. When we discuss about production of A type of antigen, let us consider this is predominant cell of RBC, that is erythroblast, and this erythroblast, in this erythroblast it contains nucleus. In this nucleus, there is a pair of chromosome number 9. This ninth pair of chromosome number, along with this, it contains oligosaccharides. These are the oligosaccharides, and this ninth pair of chromosome, which are 2 in number, one comes from parent, one comes from mother, and other comes from father. And this ninth pair of chromosome contains special type of gene which results in production of enzyme called N-acetyl glucosamine transferase. N-acetyl glucosamine transferase. Now, as there is H type of antigen, now the function of this N-acetyl galactosamine transferase is this N-acetyl galactosamine will get broken, and this N-acetyl galactosamine will get attached to this H type of antigen. When the oligosaccharide is attached with H type of antigen and N-acetyl galactosamine, this entire complex is called A antigen. This is A antigen. This is the formation of A type of antigen. Let us discuss once again. This is a predominant cell, that is erythroblast. Erythroblast contains nucleus, whereas matured RBC do not contain nucleus. Here, the ninth pair of chromosome contains special type of protein. Now that protein contains special type of enzyme, that is N-acetyl galactosamine transferase. Now, this N-acetyl galactosamine transferase will detach this N-acetyl galactosamine and helps in attachment of this H type of antigen. Now this entire complex, that is oligosaccharide plus oligosaccharide plus fucose plus N-acetyl galactosamine combined together called as A type of antigen. This is about A type of antigen. And when we discuss about B type of antigen, this is predominant cell, that is erythroblast, in which it contains nucleus. In this nucleus, once again it contains ninth pair. This ninth pair of chromosome contains special type of enzyme, that is, first of all, it contains oligosaccharides. These are the oligosaccharides. Now, this ninth pair of chromosome contains special type of enzyme, that is galactose transferase. Now, what is the function of this galactose transferase means? Now, here we know that it is already H molecule is present. In the galactose transferase function is the galactose molecule will get detached from this galactose transferase and will get attached to the surface of now whenever the N-acetyl galactosamine gets attached, it is called A type of antigen. When only galactose is attached, it is now this entire complex is called B type of antigen. This is about B type of antigen, and this is about ABO type of antigen. When person is having A type of antigen, in which who has A type of antigens, and when person is B type of blood group, it contains B type of antigens, and when person is AB type, he contains both A type of antigens and B type of antigens. Whenever person is that he is O type of blood group, he do not contains any type of antigens, but he contains special type of antigens that are H type of antigens. And when we discuss about the formation of the H type of antigens, this is the predominant cell of RBC, that is erythroblast. This erythroblast contains nucleus. This in nucleus, let us consider this is 19th pair of chromosome. This 19th pair of chromosome secretes special type of enzyme, that is fucose transferase. Now this fucose transferase, the fucose molecule will get attached to the surface of this oligosaccharides. This entire structure is called H type of antigen. Now when we discuss about B type of antigen, this is the predominant cell of RBC, that is erythroblast. Now this erythroblast, it contains nucleus. In nucleus, this is the 9th pair. Here it is 19th pair. Here it is only 9th pair. This 9th pair of chromosome contains special type of enzyme, that is galactose transferase. Now this galactose transferase, this galactose will get attached to the surface of H protein, H antigen. Now this entire complex is called B type of antigen. Now when we discuss about A type of antigen, this is a predominant cell, and these are the oligosaccharides, and this is nucleus, in which it contains 23 pairs of chromosomes. This is 9th pair. This 9th pair of chromosome contains special type of enzyme, that is N-acetyl galactosamine transferase. The function of this N-acetyl galactosamine transferase is N-acetyl galactosamine will get attached to the surface of H antigen. Now this entire complex, that is N-acetyl galactosamine plus fucose plus oligosaccharides, is called A type of antigen. This is about ABO type of antigen. When we discuss about RH type of antigen, in 1940, some scientists were discovered that the blood which is taken from monkey, that is rhesus monkey, injected into rabbit, it shows positive response and agglutination takes place. Now, from the blood which is taken from that rabbit will be injected into the human. Now, when it is injected into the human, only 80. Now, when injected into human, 85% of people shows positive response, whereas 15% people shows negative response. These are called 85% people are called RH positive and 15% are called Rh negative. Now, when we discuss about the structure of Rh antigen, this is the structure of, let us consider this is the structure of RBC, and this R, the nature of this Rh antigen is, it is proteinaceous in nature. It is proteinaceous in nature, and this protein will be twisted in 12 rounds on surface of the RBC. This is a special type of peptide chain in which it contains 12 terms that are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and these are integral proteins. Upper part is present outer side of the membrane, whereas inner part is present inner side of the membrane. Now, when we discuss about different types of Rh antigens, there are 5 different types of Rh antigens. That are, first one is D type of antigen, second one is capital E, third one is small e, fourth one is capital C, fifth one is small c. These are the 5 different types of antigens in which D, capital E, small e, capital C, small c. These are 5 different types of antigens in which D type of Rh antigen is more predominant. Whenever this D type of antigen is attached to the surface of this RBC, then it is Rh positive, or it also called D positive. And in another case, when we consider this is one more protein, this is one more protein, that is peptide chain, in which E type of antigen capital E or small e type of antigen is attached to the surface of this RBC. It is called Rh positive or E positive. Now, when we consider third case, in which the surface of this RBC contains C type of proteins, capital C or small c, it is called Rh positive or C positive. Out of these three, this D positive is more predominant. When we compare this ABO and Rh type of antigen, whenever the A type of antigen contains special type of antigen, that is D type of antigen. Now, this type of blood group is called A positive blood, and whenever B type of blood group contains D antigen in it, now this type of blood group is called B positive blood group. Whenever this AB type of blood group contains D antigens, now this type of blood group is called AB positive. Whenever This O type of blood group consists of D type of proteins. Now, this blood group is called O positive. Whenever the D antigens are absent, it is called A negative. Whenever the D antigens are absent, it is called B positive, and it is AB positive, and it is O positive. This is about ABO and RH blood group. When we discuss about genotype of this A type of antigen, as we know that there are two chromosomes, one come from father and other one come from mother. Now, if the gene which is expressed in only one chromosome, that is capital A and capital A, it is one type of genotype. And when we discuss second case, that is, in first case, the both the chromosomes, that is one pair of chromosome expresses this type of enzyme or this type of gene, then the type of and genotype is called a homozygous dominant. And in second case, we know that there are pair of chromosomes, but only one chromosome out of this pair expresses a gene. It is called AO type of chromosome, AO type of gene. There are two genotypes, that is AA and AO. This is about genotype of A type of antigen. And when we discuss about genotype of B type of antigens, there are two types. One is capital B, and second one is capital B and O. This is about genotypes of blood groups.